Hey everyone, welcome! I'm thrilled to have you here today. Today we're diving into the world of the Moringa tree, often called the tree of life. This remarkable tree has been cherished for centuries for its incredible health benefits and versatility. I'm excited to share how this incredible tree boosts your health, inspires sustainable living, and adds a touch of natural magic to your everyday life. From its roots to its leaves, every part of the Moringa tree offers something valuable. Moringa is a true nutritional powerhouse. Its leaves are packed with essential nutrients that our bodies crave. Its leaves are loaded with essential vitamins like A, B1, B2, B3, and C, which are crucial for maintaining good health and vitality. Along with vitamins, Moringa leaves are rich in minerals such as calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. These minerals play a vital role in supporting various bodily functions. Imagine having nature's multivitamin right at your fingertips, fueling your body with the goodness it needs to thrive. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve digestion, or enhance your energy levels, Moringa has got you covered. Not only is Moringa nutrient-packed, but it's also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can incorporate it into a variety of dishes to enhance their nutritional value. Enjoy it fresh in salads, adding a burst of green goodness to your meals. Blend it into your smoothies for a nutritious boost that will keep you energized throughout the day. Steep it as a tea to enjoy a soothing and healthful beverage that's perfect for any time of the day. Or even take it as a convenient supplement, ensuring you get your daily dose of nutrients effortlessly. Whatever your taste, there's a way to make Moringa part of your daily routine. Its mild flavor makes it easy to incorporate into a wide range of recipes. Let's talk about beauty. Moringa isn't just for eating. The benefits of Moringa extend beyond nutrition. The oil extracted from its seeds is a natural moisturizer, perfect for hydrating and nourishing your skin. It's rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. It's a favorite ingredient in natural skincare because it helps maintain a radiant, healthy glow without any harsh chemicals. Moringa oil can be used to treat dry skin, reduce wrinkles, and even help with acne. One of the most inspiring things about the Moringa tree is its sustainability. This tree is not only beneficial for our health, but also for the environment. This fast-growing tree thrives even in arid, challenging conditions. It requires minimal water and can grow in poor soil, making it an ideal crop for areas affected by drought. By planting Moringa, communities can not only enjoy its nutritional benefits but also contribute to environmental health and resilience. It helps combat deforestation and soil erosion. It's nature's way of giving back. Every Moringa tree planted is a step towards a greener, healthier planet. In a nutshell, the Moringa tree is a gift from nature, offering a complete package of nutrition, culinary delight, beauty benefits, and environmental sustainability. It's a true testament to the power of nature. Whether you use its leaves, oil, or even take it in capsule form, Moringa brings a touch of natural goodness to your life. It's a simple way to enhance your well-being. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the magic of Moringa. I hope you feel inspired to explore the many benefits of this amazing tree. Remember, every Moringa leaf is a step toward a healthier, happier you. Embrace the gift of Moringa and let it transform your life.